Well, welcome back to the channel. The day has finally arrived. It's the day of the Prospect Hospice Memory Ride. I'm just riding over to the rugby club now. It's just gone 7:30. So all meeting up. Volunteers, I think, are coming around 8 o'clock. So we need to brief them. But yeah, the weather's good. So hopefully everything will go all right. So obviously a lot of hard work's gone into this. I was speaking to Wayne yesterday from Wayne's Wheelhouse. We seem to have raised a lot of money so far, which is great. Right then, we're here. The day has arrived. So later on, this car park's going to be full of bikes. I think the last count was about 145 have registered. So it should be a good event. Come on then, Wayne. Let's have a bit of VT. How's Wayne?
I'm very well.
Good.
Little bit stressed yesterday.
Yeah.
Final few things, but yeah, we've got 2 more people registered this morning, so we've got a couple of little latecomers, so they're all jotted up in there. So
145, something like that.
145 now. Yeah.
Okay.
So we're okay. We might make that magic 150 number. That's what we spoke about on Tuesday when we spoke with Hannah at the hospice.
Yeah.
Sort of finalising bits and pieces.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're all good. The weather's lovely.
It is.
It's all going to be good, folks, and today's the day that we've been waiting for. So a lot of planning, a lot of preparation.
Been a few weeks, isn't it? A few months, isn't it?
It has been a few months
of hard work.
We've jumped through quite a lot of hoops to get here.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's all good.
That's good. Excellent.
Miles.
Cheers, Wayne. Thanks. Hello, Dave. Are you going to say something sensible on this camera?
There's no way I can say something sensible on this camera.
What do you think of today?
I think it's going to be absolutely brilliant. You guys have organised something that's going to be very special, very worthwhile for Prospect. So yeah, absolutely, it's going to be great. And thank you everybody for coming along. I'm looking forward to it. I'm going to be up to Silbury Hill with Colin Al doing some photographs in a little while.
Excellent.
And watch everybody come by. So yeah, no, and it's a worthwhile event and well organised. So well done.
Excellent. So it was worthwhile you speaking.
Occasionally it's worthwhile I'm speaking.
Right.
Yeah,
cheers,
absolutely.
Dave.
No problem at all.
So we're lining up all the outriders. So we've got members of the breakfast crew and Rosper. You all right, Les?
Yeah.
All good, all good. Looks like a good day for it.
Amazing. Started off cool.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, this is like KG. It's but no, well.
There he is. Hey.
Lovely guy, and he does the balloting.
Well, the car park's certainly filling up now. We've got a lot of riders coming in. So we're just getting ready to let the first 10 riders out, and they'll be off on the route. So catch you in a bit.
If you get separated from the group, please do not speed or try to catch
Watch your back, Em. Well, the last of the riders are just going out. I'm just enjoying a Thatcher Zero. This guy on the SV1000, his battery wasn't working, so they've jumped it. So we've got a bit of a lull now before the next, well, the first group of riders come back. But so far so good. I think everybody's enjoying themselves.
Where is she now?
We got through them all. They're all through. Got through them all.
Well, you did. I was just walking around with my camera.
Well,
didn't really
you're
do
the
a
star.
No. Now, I tell you what though. Now this it stoked me though. A couple come up to me and they come all the way from
Wow.
for this event.
Wow.
If it had been, oh, we're on holiday and we thought we'd chip in, but no, they came
just for this event.
specifically for the event. Yeah.
So you are the star.
No, we're all put our work for this, haven't we?
We have, yeah.
Sure. So,
Yeah.
It's been, and you've done a lot. I told you,
Yeah.
you've done a hell of a lot for this.
Oh,
Well, it wouldn't have happened if it wasn't for you, Ross.
Yeah.
White as well.
Yeah. That's all good, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. So we can breathe a sigh of relief.
Oh, I'm
At the
feeling
end of the
it.
day.
I'm breathing a bit more of a sigh of relief now, to be honest. Now
We
that
did a
they're
good
out.
job rallying getting them all through the barriers. I've been
Yeah.
told by Rest Day Rider that I've got to go on the ride,
Yeah.
but I'm not going.
No.
So I'm going to have to.
You're rebellious.
I apologise if she's watching this. I apologise.
She won't be watching me, will she? I mean, she's a
Hey,
star.
You going on that one, Ed? You going? No, mate, I'll do it.
So the first of the riders are coming back from the first group. Good to see them back. Do you want a hand? All right.
Right, I've got your back. Do you want me to pull it back after? I've got you.
All right? No dramas?
No dramas, smooth as silk.
No traffic hold-ups?
No,
Oh, that's good.
no,
Good, good.
everything went well.
Brilliant, brilliant.
We had a super leader. Nice little pace, yeah,
Yeah, happy days.
wonderful.
Brilliant.
Uh,
Go and get yourself a drink.
see Colin and the boys at
Silbury.
Silbury Hill.
Yeah. Don't forget to buy some raffle tickets.
Yeah, where are they on sale?
Up by the registration desk. Up there.
Prospect 10.
That's it, yeah.
Right, yeah, I shall get some of them. And it's a BMW motorbike.
No. Just the cap. Oh, and a jacket. How was it, Mike? You're on camera now, so
Nice little ride, no problems.
yeah, good group to lead out, was it?
Nice little group, yeah, all kept up.
That's good.
We had a few breakages, but we just slowed down, everybody
Yeah.
pulled up and we kept up together nicely.
No bad traffic or anything?
No bad traffic, a few
Yeah.
cars getting in the way, you know, like
Yeah,
we do.
yeah.
But that's it.
Oh, brilliant,
Yeah,
brilliant.
Good little ride.
Excellent.
Brilliant.
And we're liking the little CF moto, aren't we?
Yeah, it's lovely.
That's a nice little bike. Do you like it?
I do like it.
Brilliant. See, getting new riders out on the road.
Hello, Miles.
You're gonna star on my video.
Of course.
Oh, excellent. How was it?
It was wonderful.
Good,
The
good,
route
good.
was so well designed.
Yeah.
It was, you know, beautiful sweeping roads. The countryside was awesome. We saw Wiltshire Man and a couple of others waving from Silver Hill.
Yeah.
It was a really lovely design ride.
Brilliant, brilliant.
Many more, please.
Brilliant. Thanks for coming.
It's all right, Miles. No problem at all.
Take care.
Thank you.
Is coming back with her group? Yeah.
Really good.
Very good, was it?
Really good, yeah. Certainly for our group, traffic worked beautifully. It stopped when it needed to. Pedestrians pressing things when we wanted them to press them so we could get through.
Oh,
so yeah, absolutely mega.
Brilliant.
Saw the famous Wiltshire Man out there.
Yeah. Did you see the one cheerleaders at the Prospect?
Yeah, saw the ladies at the Prospect as well, gave them a wave and a toot. So yeah, really good.
Brilliant.
Absolutely brilliantly put together. So well done, you guys.
Thanks a lot, Em. Cheers.
No worries, mate.
Yellow 850. Thank you.
Colin, that's a bit. Come on, Danny, get ours out. Come on, Sandy, come on now, get ours out.
I know I'm biased, I do work there, people know that, but I do work at the hospice. I've got fantastic teams that have come and give their time today for the registration, but no, thank you very much. Look what you've achieved, you've just done an amazing thing. So this is the first of our big events. It's going to be an annual event. We made a decision that it is going to be an annual event. Might be a few changes, but nothing major. But no, you've excelled yourselves. So give yourself a big round of applause. Thank you very much again. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day, folks.
Well, there we go. 2026's Prospect Hospice Memory Ride is over. What a day it was. Everything went well. Everyone seemed to enjoy it. What a great event. So thank you to all those that registered and took part in the ride. And thank you for all those that donated on our Just Giving page. It's much appreciated. We've got to tot up all the various channels of income for this event. And once that is known, I'll publish another video. We've certainly had decent weather for the event. It's just been good. We will do something again next year for the Prospect, so watch this space. So it leaves me to say thank you very much for watching. Take care. We'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.